morning, students. Uh, the same chapter is there, financial management. And in financial management, today we will discuss about the second decision, that is called financing decision, and is an important decision of financial management which helps the organization or management to take the decision that whether the company is going to employ more owner fund in the capital structure, or the company is going to employ more borrowed fund in the capital structure. Generally, financing decision related to the owner and borrowed fund. And before explaining that, I'm going to revise the term financial management. So you people can define the financial management by using these two words, collection and distribution, because financial management always related to the collection and distribution of fund, or we can say it related to the acquisition and distribution of fund. Acquisition or allocation, we can also say that it is related to the collection, acquisition, allocation and distribution of fund within the organization, because for starting any of business activity, the businessman has to get the financial support from outsources, so it will comes under the acquisition. And allocation means distribution of fund among the different departments of the company, because no any department can run their business without getting the financial support. That is why the financial management helps in deciding that how much fund should be collected from outsources and how the fund should be distributed among the different departments of the organization. And in other way, we can say financial management is an important decision which helps in creating the ratio between debt and equity. It is also an important part, because debt is a type of fund which is collected by the businessman from outsources, and equity is a type of fund which is invested by the businessman from his own pocket or by utilizing the retained earning of the company. So that these two things will comes under the financial management. After that, we have to discuss about the financial decision. Financing decision is a type of decision in which the company decide that whether the company is going to employ owner fund in the capital structure or borrowed fund in the capital structure. Owner fund is a type of fund which is invested by the businessman from his own pocket in the form of equity shares, in the form of retained earning. Whereas borrowed fund is a type of fund which is collected by the businessman from outsources in the form of debentures, in the form of public deposit, in the form of intercorporate deposit. So these two things will comes under the financing decision, or it depend upon the financing decision is generally depend upon the following factors which help in deciding the management that in which condition the company has to employ more owner fund, or in which condition the company has to employ more borrowed fund. So these are the several factors which are present. Generally, very few factors are present in your NCERT book, but I have given about 8 factors because I collected this factor from different books. That is why I am telling you people, you just take the screenshot of it. If you have any problem, then you can ask on my personal number. Beforehand, you have to take the screenshot of it. Okay. The first factor which helps in deciding the financing decision for the company is cash flow position. Cash flow, as I told you earlier, as I told you yesterday, cash flow indicate the inflow and outflow of money from the organization. And inflow means more income of the company, outflow means more expenditure of the company. If more income arises in the company, then the company prefer to use more debt, because in this condition the company is able to pay debt or pay interest on time. If more outflow take place, then in that condition the company prefer to use more equity fund in the capital structure, because in this condition the company is not able to pay debt on time because of lot of expenses take place in the organization. That is why cash flow position also helps in deciding whether the company is going to employ more owner fund, whether the company is going to employ more borrowed fund in the capital structure. Flotation cost. Next is flotation cost. Flotation cost is a type of cost which arise over the issuing of securities, and generally the businessmen prefer to get the financial support from that particular institution or that particular resource where they have to invest a very less flotation cost. For example, if a businessman is going to get the fund from financial institutions, then he has to pay about 3 to 4% file charges, and he has to pay 10% or 12%, 15% interest over it. Whereas if the businessman is going to issue their securities in the capital market, then he has to give only 10% dividend to the investors. So that ultimately the flotation cost also helps in deciding from where the company has to get fund to perform the different financial activities. The another one is risk. Risk is an important part of the business which can be reduced but cannot be eliminated. As I told you yesterday also, risk is an important part, and if more risk associated with the business, then ultimately the businessmen prefer to use owner fund in that particular condition. If less risk associated, then the businessmen prefer to use borrowed fund to perform the different activities, because in that condition the businessman can easily face the risk. The another one is control. Control consideration also helps in deciding whether the company is going to use the owner fund or whether the company is going to use the borrowed fund. Because if the company is going to employ more borrowed fund, then ultimately the financial institutions and the borrowed fund holder do not get the chance to participate in the business activities. So all the control will be lies in the hand of the owner only. Whereas if the company is going to employ more partners or more owner in the firm, then the control will be distributed. So that we can say control also helps in deciding whether the company is going to employ owner fund, whether the company employ borrowed fund in the capital structure. The another one is competitor policy. Competitor policy also helps in deciding that what type of fund should be utilized by the company to perform the different financial activities. If the competitor company employ more debt in the capital structure, then the businessman also has to employ more debt in the capital structure. Whereas if competitor has invested more owner fund in the capital structure, then also they have to use more owner fund in the capital structure. So that we can say some of the businessmen also following the competitor policy of investment. The another one is capital market reaction. Generally there are two phases of capital market are present. The first one is inflation, the another one is recession. Inflation is a condition in which every every investor want to invest their money, because money is easily available in the economy and everybody want to invest their money in the business. So in that condition of inflation, the money is easily available before the businessman. So the businessmen prefer to use more borrowed fund in the capital structure. Whereas in the condition of recession, nobody want to invest their money in the business. So ultimately the businessman has to use the owner fund in the capital structure to perform the different financial activities. The another one is government policy. Sometimes the government also restrict the businessman in the investment. They insist the businessman to employ more borrowed fund to create the economic development, as well as sometimes the government insists the businessman to employ more equity in the capital structure. So if the government want economic development, then they prefer to get the borrowed fund, because they want to create the equitable distribution of equity among the people. Those have invested their money in the business, those are living in a society. The government want to create the development of the society with the help of financing decision also. The another one is period of finance. Generally, if the businessman want to invest money for a long period of time, or businessman want money from the outsources for a long period of time, then he prefer to use borrowed fund, because financial institutions are available in the economy. Those are providing the financial assistance to the businessman for a long period of time. Whereas if a businessman want to invest his want to get the financial support for a short period of time, then the public deposit, intercorporate deposit can be utilized by the company to perform the different financial activities. So time of a period of finance also helps in deciding whether what type of fund the company has to employ in the capital structure, whether the company employ more debt in the capital structure, whether the company employ more honor fund in the capital structure. That is why the financing decision is an important decision for the company, which helps in deciding that what type of fund should be utilized by the company. So students, it's all about the financing decision. It's all about the honor fund and borrowed fund. As I told you, the factors which affect the financing decision. So you should keep in mind this thing, because it is an important part of this chapter, and these decisions may comes in the board examination. So you should look at the whiteboard, you should take the screenshot, you should note it down the key points whatever I have written over here, because some of the points are present in your book and many of points are not present, and I will also send the notes related to it. So students, 5 questions are there in the PDF file in which I will send you the notes. So you should try to solve the question also and send it on my personal number, because if you will reply, then only I will come to know that you people understood the message properly or not. So if you have any query, then you can ask on my personal number. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.